everyone. Today I am here. Today we are going to discuss about the workers' responsibility at workplace. So this is very interesting topic today. Today we are going to discuss because you know that safety responsibility for everyone. Not this is a single person's responsibility for safety. If you are going to save of human life, as you all about know that, define the role and responsibility to everyone. If you are working in multinational organizations, then there is defined of role and responsibility to supervisor, project manager, or contractors, workers, visitors, security guards, entire project team. So why we have to take responsibility and define the role and responsibility for employee, because of they are responsible for that job and that type of work. So guys, today we are going to discuss worker responsibility. This is a legal requirement. First, you all are aware about those things. Worker responsibility also legal requirements, and as per BOCW Act, Building and Other Constructions Work 1996, sections number 8, there is mentioned workers responsibility. What is the worker responsibility? There is mentioned. Also ILO convention and 155, there is occupational health safety systems. There is also mention of worker responsibility, and in establishment of 1981. So guys, so please understood, this is also legal requirement. As per ILO, also international labor organizations also provision make of convention 155. So first we have discussed about what is the responsibility of worker if you are going to hire. So workers, if you are working in industry, then this is your first responsibility of employer. Aware them what is responsibility for you for at workplace, because of this is responsibility to employer. This is a responsibility of employer to provide training and explain them his responsibility as per act, as per ILO instructions. So guys, first we have discussed about the number of workers. No workers authorized to do any unsafe act and unsafe conditions at industry, at his workplace, at any places, because of this is his responsibility to follow the safety rules and regulations. If in case of any gap between the safety, between the any deviations in multiple places, then this is first responsibility to do not work without until the safeguards, until the safety measures in place. Like if you are workers going to work with the mechanical, like the tower crane, like the binding machine, cutting machine, then first you have to workers has responsible to first check properly in his opinion. So because of note that maybe some machinery, some parts will be damaged, some parts will be defective. So first responsibility to check. If any observation, any malfunction in machines, then first inform to concerned person and stop work. Do not start any machine. It's like the tower cranes and electricals and any unsafe act and condition at workplace. So do not perform work unless the safety measures in place. Second thing, welfare responsibility. Employer has been responsible to provided proper and sufficient welfare facility like the toilets as per BOCW rules, BOCW Act, toilets, bathrooms, and urinal facility, also accommodation facility, first aid facility, drinking waters, and electricity. So, which are need and expectations of workers that can provided by the employer. But there is worker responsibility to make sure the health and hygiene. Make sure that if you are using the company or company facility, then first you have to take responsibility to clean that area at all times. And also, if any unhygienic conditions at your workplace, there is no sweeper, there is no scam boss, there is no first aid facility, then you can inform to your concerned person and concerned employer, so that may be resolve your issue. Second thing is there, workers. Next point is there mentioned, worker is liable. Workers is take responsibility to, if any on course of consultations, participations for better implement purpose, then you have to involve if organizations, if employer are called to you. So please be participate. This is your responsibility to participation and involvement on process of consultation and participation for better safety improvement at your workplace. Next point is there, duty. What is the, each building workers must be aware about the all hazards at workplace, and what is the timing schedules and timing schedules. If any employer, if any supervisors forced to work more than hours, then this is right to take overtimes and others which are required to you, then this is your responsibility to do that. Worker must have a responsibility on course of trainings, protect to others worker. If you are single workers and others unions team workers, then this is first responsibility to, if any workers, co-workers working unsafe act and unsafe condition at workplace, then you have to inform to supervisor, you should inform to safety officers, safety managers. They can motivate, they can train them, and they can explain to importance of safety. So we all are save a human life. So if you are going to observations, then think positively, because of if you are going to stop the work, then first things you are going to stop of human life and save of human life. So this is a thinking of every person. Then safety, and then safety will be improvements. Safety can be improvement at your workplace. So after the use of correct device, so already discussed, if you are using any machine, any part of constructions, vehicle electricals, then only for good conditions material should be used. If any defective of materials in place in ordering by your employer, then ignore. This is your responsibility to ignore, because of this is direct connectivity, direct threatening of life. So guys, this is also responsibility considered in that case. And to workers to wear personal protective equipments at all time, which are decided, which are defined by your organization. Because of if you are using personal protective equipments, then save your life, not others. So guys, personal protective equipments need to be used, and if any persons violate the safety, use of PP at all time at your workplace because of save your life and others. If any observations to others workers behaviors, then you can explain him to save and follow the rules and regulations at workplace. So cooperations with well collaborations with employer for better safety improvement purpose. If employer are questioning, if you employ observing to some unsafe act condition, this is first responsibility to take in positive and improvements yourself. Because of if workers 1000 more than 1000 2000 worker working in one place, there is not possible to everyone's in place in front of your supervising to everyone. So guys, this is a very important to you. Listen carefully and follow the safety rules by heart. This is worker responsibility. This is a worker responsibility for improvements. After that, support for better improvements. So guys, if any suggestion, if any improvements need at your workplace, then you have to inform them. If you have informed them your employer, that may be chance of better improvements and better suggestion will be also respect and welcome to you. So guys, this is a responsibility for workers in case of any responsibility. So please be carefully listen and understood and implementations at your workplace, and every employer to explain them, then very useful and helpful to you improvement a better health safety culture at your workplace. Also, all workers and staff and other things encourage to workers, that may be workers free from fears, report to accident incident. Also workers responsible, along with worker responsible for any accident accidents and near miss safety violation at workplace, that first responsibility to inform them concerned person. So this is also responsibility. And second, next point there, workers right to check the welfare facility, check the emergency preparedness plan. If you have worker right to check the ambulance is available, first aid facility is there, first aider is there, stretcher is there, nearest hospital is there, doctor coming on site for worker health checkup. So this is a right to ask to employer, why not providing, why not facility updates. So guys, this is responsibility to workers. Those all are responsibility to workers, and right to ask to employer and right to ask to organizations, senior management and others management. So first last is your asking, but try to ask him your nearest staff. Suppose that your supervisor and safety officer, safety supervisors, then that may be chance of better safety improvement at your workplace. Thanks guys. This is a responsibility of, this was all discuss of responsibility of workers. So please remember it and explain to others persons. So very useful to help a better health safety cultures at your workplace. Thanks.